Ever wondered what the buzz around CBD is all about? Is it just a fad or is there something more to it? Let's unravel this mystery together in the next 3 minutes. But before we dive into it, I would like to thank you for watching this video by giving you a free discount code for my favorite CBD brand. You can find it in the description of this video. Now let's start with this beginner's guide. Cannabidiol, or CBD as it's more commonly known, is a natural compound found in the cannabis plant. Contrary to popular belief, it doesn't cause the high associated with cannabis. That's due to another compound called THC. CBD, on the other hand, has been linked to numerous health benefits, from reducing anxiety and depression to relieving pain and inflammation. Before we dive into how to use CBD, it's important to know that not all CBD is created equal. There are 3 main types of CBD: isolate, which contains only CBD; full spectrum, which contains all the compounds found in the cannabis plant, including THC; and broad spectrum, which contains all the compounds minus THC. Now, onto the main event. How does a beginner start using CBD? The first step is to choose your CBD product. There are many options available, from oils and tinctures to edibles and topicals. If you're looking for fast effects, a CBD oil or tincture is your best bet, as it's absorbed directly into the bloodstream. Edibles, on the other hand, are a great option if you want something tasty and convenient, but keep in mind that they take longer to kick in, as they need to be digested first. Step 2 is to determine your dosage. This can be tricky, as there's no one-size-fits-all dosage for CBD. It depends on various factors like your weight, metabolism, and the condition you're trying to treat. A good rule of thumb is to start low and go slow. Begin with a small dosage and gradually increase it until you find what works for you. Step 3 is to administer the CBD. If you're using a tincture or oil, place the drops under your tongue, hold for a minute, then swallow. This method, known as sublingual administration, allows the CBD to be absorbed directly into your bloodstream, providing quicker effects. If you're using edibles, simply consume them as you would any other food or drink. And lastly, be patient. CBD isn't a magic bullet. It may take some time to feel its effects, especially if you're taking it for chronic conditions. To recap, CBD is a natural compound found in the cannabis plant that has been linked to various health benefits. There are 3 main types of CBD: isolate, full spectrum, and broad spectrum. To start using CBD, first choose your product, then determine your dosage, administer the CBD, and finally be patient and give it time to work. Remember, everyone's experience with CBD is different. What works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, it's important to listen to your body and adjust your usage accordingly. And that's it, a beginner's guide to CBD in 3 minutes. We hope this has been helpful and has demystified CBD for you. As always, make sure to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen. Stay tuned for more informative videos. Until then, stay healthy, stay informed,